Hello, my audience. After a long time, I am again comes to you, and I show you the Gemma 4 12 billion parameter model, how it's work, and I install it my local computer and run this model within a free of cost. And I show how a software can be integrated with this model and use using this model or power of AI you can use in your software. So first of all, I just give you a brief discussion about this model comparison with other model. So it's totally run locally, and this performance is very good, comparative to other model like chat gpt 4o, Claude Sonnet, Llama 3.3, and DeepSeek. And most of the thing, the privacy, this is full control without any wi-fi you can run, or you any internet connectivity you can run this model in your local pc, and you can extract many hard tasks with this model, and the performance is so good, and the speed is also very good. And my device is actually a mac mini 4, and it's very good performance. I am really appreciate this model which is invented by google. So uh, which section it's win, like sensitive documents, air grip environment, no API cost, full privacy, offline capability, and MVP development. Here is a graph uh, between other uh, familiar model in our market. This graph show that this is a little bit uh, behind of other paid model, but this perform of this model is very good. So you can build any prototype, like you use this LLM model and RAG and vector DB, and with hybrid search. This is one of the most strong and compatible in our market. So I demonstrate it now. So I install this model in my LM Studio. Here is my LM Studio window. Yeah, you can show that this is the API list, and here is this model. You can also have some option to integrate other model, like you can add more model as you wish. So I already plugged in this gamma for 12 billion parameter model, and this model is run on this port 1234, and you can show the token input and output parameter, so you can understand it's how it's work. And you can also uh, also also add more model. You can search on here, and you can plug in as well as this model. Here is other model option and the compatibility. And in here you can generate uh, many HTML code or your functional code without any cost, and the response time is so fast. And one of the most interesting part, this model is also support many other languages like Bangla or Hindi, something like that. So now I import this model or use this model on my own software, which is built by Flask framework, based on Flask framework. And in there I show you how to demonstrate this model on that software. So I go to my software. Here is my software. So I already test my image to text feature, and I upload a picture from my folder on PC folder. So I use this image to text, and I look this image how much time it takes, and here I click this, and in here show there is processing, and I can also show you that this is working on you can show here the response will give you in this log, that here you generate 40, 50 or 60, 70, 80, around 100, 20, 50, 200 almost. So in here you can also see that it will working, and when it's done you can uh, found the final output, and it also uh, rising like 400 something. So please a little bit time it takes, and actually this image is scattered by piece. First of all, other model are worse the conversion of this image to other version, but in here it make the piece of this image, and in here I can show you that is the output of my model, and it's totally perfect, and I really appreciate this model performance. And I also give you a image where the Bangla and English both are written in this image, and I give this image and I want to see that how much time it's take, and is it possible to uh, give exact same Im- text which is written in this image. So my Gemma model is working, and it working internally, and I also give you a brief overview that here is the memory consumption around around 16 GB RAM. It used 15.65 GB RAM, and the CPU condition is very high. So when you run any model, it always consume your resource. So I go back in my software. Just wait a minute. You In that way you can also try like uh, like audio file or PDF file, and you can convert it on your text, and lots of more other thing can do by this model. If you interested, please comment below in my chat box, or you can give me a like to prepare more these types of video in near future. So this is exactly same, and accuracy is very good, so I like it. Thank you for watching my videos. And also here is my a GitHub repository where I written this software. I give you this repository on in my YouTube description, the video description. So if you're interested in this project, you can see in this repository file. Thank you.